I'm gonna keep doing my makeup like this because it's just so simple, and it's like I'm keep putting stuff on and it's like it's just so perfect. Oh my god. Okay, let me stop. Let me keep going with the tutorial because, like, y'all, this foundation is a true. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is ClaireFendy, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is not a sponsored video. I am going to do a review on the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation. I've seen a lot of reviews from it, a lot of people that got sent the product. However, I did not get sent the product, but hopefully in 2021 we will be on Fenty Beauty PR list. Period. So if you are interested in purchasing this product, if you like the video, make sure you click the link down below. It will support this channel and I will continue to do more videos like this one. Also, the lashes that I got on is from AJLX collection. This is in the shade Intuition, and I love these lashes so much. It's so full, it's mink, and I just love them. And then on the back of the packaging is just so inspiring. It says, let go and let God. Learn to trust your process. Sometimes things are beyond your control. Focus on yourself and let go of things beyond it. This was so inspirational. Thank you so much, Ada, for sending me these, and I love them. There will be a link down below to shop with Ada. Period. But yeah, enough of that. Let's get right into the tutorial. It's 2021. I'm going to start off with my primer. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty True Matte Pro Filter Primer. This primer is amazing. You guys, I have an oily skin, so if you're new here and you don't know this and your skin is like super dry, this isn't the video for you. But keep on watching though, because you can just use your own. You can use your hydrating products instead of the matte products that I'm using. So you could keep on watching to learn this method that I do to get my foundation to be flawless, period. Okay, so I'm gonna go straight into the concealer. In today's video, we're gonna be reviewing the new Fenty Beauty Pro Matte Powder Foundation, the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation. I can't wait to use it. So because we're going to use a powder foundation, we're going to just do our cream base first, because we don't want to put cream on top of powder. I don't think it's going to be the best combination, but yeah, so I'm going to start off with using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Chestnut. Chestnut is literally my complexion in a tube. If you guys watch my previous videos, I always use this as a base. I use it to color correct in a way, because a lot of people probably will use like a red tone concealer, like the orange one, but I like to use this one because I feel like my dark spots or like my hyperpigmentation isn't that heavy for me to, you know, put all that on my face. So I just choose to just do this instead. I'm just going to take my BH Cosmetic blending brush. You guys, I love BH Cosmetic blending brushes, period, because they really are legit. I usually use the I also use the ones from Amazon. You guys, I do not spend a lot of money on brushes because what's the point? They're just brushes. Okay, so after I have that one on, I'm going to go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty concealer. This is in the shade 390. 390 is 2 shades lighter than my complexion, and I love this so much because it's so bright, it's so pigmented. It leaves my skin looking so nice. Like, I can't make this up. Like, I just love the formula. I said the formula. I just like the formula so much. So, and it works well with my skin, and the fact that it's oily. Oh, you guys, I bought some new products, high-end products. On my last video, I mentioned that I only use Fenty Beauty. Like, that's like my only high-end product that I use. But I went to Sephora before New Year's, and I was like, listen, I'm going to give the girls looks this year, okay? I want everyone to be popping, and I'm going to be real bougie with my face, because why not? So I spent a little money, not a little, I spent a lot of money on some new cosmetic products from Sephora. I can't wait to try it, y'all. It's going to be so amazing. It's expensive, but it's worth it. Invest in your face, because your face is literally everything. Okay, so I'm already feeling this. Like, you guys, the fact that I put the chestnut underneath is like my coverage. I don't have that much to work with. Like, it looks like I'm already done, to be honest. Like, seriously. So next I'm going to use my black opal foundation stick. This is in the shade Black Walnut, and I'm going to use this to contour. I love this contour stick so much because it's just blend, and you don't have to like go all the way in, and it's like the perfect shade for me. Like, I love this so much, and it's literally like the best thing ever. I'm going to spray my face with the Evian spray before I apply the powder foundation, because I want everything to be fluid on my skin. Not fluid, I want everything to blend in perfectly, if that makes sense. So I'm going to cover my lashes and just like woo. I love this spray so much. Like, I love how it leaves my face feeling like it's literally the shit. Okay, so this is the moment you guys been waiting for. I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation. You guys, I am not a powder foundation fan. I'm more on a cream, not cream. I love using liquid foundation, but I know back in the day my mom used to always use powder foundation. So I think this is like making a comeback, and this is great, especially for the New Year's. So this is like awesome. So this is the Fenty Beauty, you guys. This is not a sponsored video. I watched other PR videos of this where they will send them 3 shades and they will test them out. Unfortunately, I'm not on PR list yet. 2021 we will be on Fenty Beauty PR list, period. Speaking into existence, manifesting, period. If you are interested in purchasing this product, make sure you guys click the link. This will literally help my channel. It'll help this channel get more noticed. So click the link when you're making this purchase, period. Anytime you guys see a link, make sure you guys click it, like, because we're trying to be up there. We're trying to elevate. Okay, so this is in the shade 410. I wore a 420 in the liquid foundation, but oh, I'm running out. I gotta restock. I wore a 420 in the liquid foundation, but because I watched the other reviews and they were saying that it was a little bit darker on their skin for people that wear 420 like me, so they got the 410, and the 410 was literally the perfect match. Hopefully it works in my favor also, so let's just try it out. So this is what it's looking like, and then when you flip it is another mirror right here, which is perfect. Like, this is like perfect if you're on the go. You can slip this on your, you can slip this in your bag and keep going. And it also comes with a little I don't know, a little sponge, but I'm not going to use the sponge. So yeah, and it also has a mirror right here, so perfect. Now I can just look while I'm doing it. So I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to tap it. I'm just going to put it in all the places where I haven't put the concealer. Oh my god, you guys, this is literally the perfect shade ever. I like to put them in between the contour lines so it can give me the perfect blend, and you can't even tell, y'all, this is literally my skin. No, I'm really shocked because I didn't expect it to be this perfect, because oh my god, y'all, it's like I'm not putting nothing on. Like, it's just making my skin look super soft. It's like I'm not putting nothing on my skin, but it's definitely covering. You guys see the difference? Like, it's literally covering the dark spots that I have. Y'all, I am in shock right now. Like, this is crazy. Oh my god. And it's not messy. Like, you would think, y'all, y'all, it's literally covering everything up perfectly. Like, you don't even see any, like, I didn't put nothing on right here, and you don't even see the dark spots that I have right there. Like, what? I think I'm gonna keep doing my makeup like this because it's just so simple, and it's like I'm keep putting stuff on, and it's like it's just so perfect. Oh my god. Okay, let me stop. Let me keep going with the tutorial, because like, y'all, this foundation is a true, so it is true, you have to get a shade lighter than the foundation. So if you wear a 420, get a 410. If you wear a 430, get a 420. So yeah, but this is really the truth, and period. I'm really feeling this. Like, what? I'm gonna do my nose contour. I use the black Radiance contour sticks. These contour sticks are literally like my go-to, like I wear it all the time. I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty. This is Mocha Mami. Mocha Mami is the darkest shade in the bronzer. So I use the darkest shade because I like a pop in my face. Like, I want y'all to see my jawline. Like, you get what I'm saying? And the fact that I use a powder foundation around my contour is softening it up a little bit so it don't look super harsh. So when you use the darker one, it just will bring it out and just give you the look that you're looking for. Bring a little color to your face. It has like a little red undertone, which is perfect. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio palette. This is the shade Cocktail Party, and I like to use the last two shades, and I'm just going to put it on the side. I always put it right here because I just love it. You don't want it to put it right directly on your face because you don't want your face to look like super flat. You want to put some definition on your skin. Last but not least, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty concealer. This is in the shade 330, and I'm just going to put a couple dots right underneath my eyes to just basically bring it out more. Okay, so this literally highlighted my highlight and it also blend in the blush perfectly. So I'm loving it. I'm loving going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to blend in my whole entire face because I don't want my face to be like patchy. I want everything to transition nicely. And then I'm just going to dab my beauty sponge into the powder and just add it on. I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty. These are like the mini size. I love these so much. This is the beauty brut. I'm going to use that on top of the I love this so much, and the smell is awesome. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty. This is Sinamon. This is the highlight cream stick, and I'm just going to put it right here. This highlight cream stick, the reason why I'm putting it on last is because it's not really creamy. Like, it's not really it's pigmented because you guys are seeing the application, but it's not creamy to the point where I can't put it on top of a cream on top of another powder foundation. So, and I'm just going to tap it in with my finger. Just something small, something cute. So this concludes the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe, of course. And don't forget to click the link in my description box because we want to get sponsored, okay? We want to be on a PR. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you click the link in the description box to purchase this product, or just click it just to support anyways. And yeah, happy New Year's once again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.